In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Chrome IP address, vertical bar, how to change IP address in Google Chrome. BetterNet VPN. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser and click the three vertical dots. From that menu, find the Extensions option and open it. After that, go to the Chrome Web Store. When the Chrome Web Store opens, click on the Extensions section if needed, then go to the search bar. In the search field, type VPN and begin the search. You will then see different VPN extension options appear in the results. From the available, choose VPN extension you want to use and then click Add to Chrome. Chrome may show a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to install the extension. Confirm the installation and give it a moment to finish. Once it is added, the extension will be installed directly into your browser. After the installation is complete, click on the extensions icon in the top right area of Chrome. This is where you can view and manage the extensions currently added to your browser. Open the VPN extension from there and make sure it is activated. This part is important because the VPN must be turned on in order for your browser traffic to use a different IP address. If the VPN is not active, Chrome will continue using your normal connection and original IP address. Once the VPN is enabled, your browsing session will route through the VPN service, which changes the visible IP address associated with your Chrome activity. That covers everything you need to know.